Hello and welcome to your, episode previews for the brand new CSI series. I realise I'm a little bit behind on this, but nonetheless, here is your preview for episode 1. CSI Vegas sees the return of William Peterson and Paul Guilfoyle, as well as Georgia Fox from the original CSI series in CSI Vegas, as well as new stars Paula Newsome, Mandeep Dillon, and a whole host of new CSIs. The series itself kicked off on the 6th of October, and here is the summary for episode 1. Facing an existential threat that could bring down the entire crime lab and release thousands of convicted killers back into the non-lit streets of Vegas, a brilliant new team of investigators led by Maxine Roby must enlist the help of old friends Grissom and Sara Sidle. This combined force will deploy the latest forensic techniques to do what they do best: follow the evidence in order to preserve and serve justice in Sin City. In the premiere episode, an attack on Jim Brass kicked off a twisted conspiracy targeting the Las Vegas crime lab. The episode 1 Legacy is available now on Paramount Plus and CBS.com, as well as other streaming services, I think. But that's it for this, synopsis of episode 1. I'll be back with synopsi of 2, 3, and the rest of the series as the series progresses to its finale on December the 8th, 2021. But until then, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.